Join me as I dive into the wild world of Ken Carson and try to keep up with all the chaos he brings. Ken Carson's rise to fame has been nothing short of meteoric. With his unique blend of punk rock energy and hip-hop swagger, he's managed to carve out a niche for himself in the music scene. His raw, unapologetic style has captured the attention of fans and critics alike, and it's clear that he's here to stay. From sold-out shows to chart-topping hits, Ken Carson is making waves and refusing to let up. As an emerging artist, Ken Carson faces a slew of challenges in the cutthroat music industry. With so many talented artists vying for attention, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. But Ken's not one to back down from a fight. He's built a reputation for being unpredictable and unafraid to push boundaries, which often leads to chaos wherever he goes. Whether it's a raucous live performance or a provocative social media post, Ken Carson knows how to stir up controversy. That chaos has followed him into the studio, where he's collaborated with a range of artists, from established heavyweights to up-and-coming talent. His music often defies genre boundaries, blending elements of punk, rock, and hip-hop to create something entirely new. Love him or hate him, Ken Carson is a true original, and his music reflects that. He's not afraid to take risks and challenge his listeners, which can sometimes lead to mixed reactions. Despite the challenges he faces, Ken Carson remains committed to his artistic vision, even when it's not clear what the outcome will be. His dedication to his craft has earned him a loyal following, and it's clear that he's not going to let the chaos die down anytime soon. This has led to some incredible moments, like his infamous performance at a major music festival, where he brought the house down with his high-energy set. One of the most memorable examples of Ken's chaotic impact was his recent collaboration with a fellow rising star. The two artists brought their unique styles together to create something truly unforgettable. The resulting song was a huge hit, but it also sparked a lot of debate among fans and critics. Some loved it, while others hated it, but that's just the kind of reaction Ken Carson thrives on. He knows how to create a stir. Another instance that comes to mind is his appearance at a major music conference. Ken Carson's panel discussion quickly turned into a heated debate, with the artist clashing with industry insiders over the state of the music scene. It was a wild and unpredictable ride, but it also showcased Ken's passion and conviction. He's never afraid to speak his mind. The real turning point in Ken Carson's career came when he decided to take a risk and perform at a sold-out show without any prior promotion. The event was a huge success, with fans singing along to every word. It was a defining moment for Ken, as he proved that he could bring people together and create something special. That performance will be remembered for years to come. Looking back on Ken Carson's journey, it's clear that chaos has been a major factor in his success. From his early days as an underground artist to his current status as a rising star, he's always managed to create a stir. Love him or hate him, Ken Carson is a force to be reckoned with in the music world. Recapping the key points, it's clear that Ken Carson's chaotic influence has had a profound impact on the music world. By refusing to play it safe and instead embracing the unknown, he's managed to build a loyal following and create some truly unforgettable moments. As he continues to push boundaries and challenge his listeners, one thing is certain, Ken Carson is here to stay. So what do you think about Ken Carson's impact on the music scene? Have you been to one of his shows or do you have a favorite song of his? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more insights into the music industry, be sure to check out my other video on the rise of punk rap. Thanks for watching.